Hi everyone, welcome to Modern World Computers. My name is Erasmus Johnson. I'll be taking you through your journey to digital literacy. This is where it starts from. Um, I'm beginning this as the Modern World Online Computer Training. This will be a course that will take us through the basics on how to use computers. I will do these videos or this training in different videos. This is the introduction to an overview of what we shall be going through, what we shall be saying. Our main course goal is to equip beginners with fundamental knowledge and practical skills required to confidently use a computer, navigate the internet, manage files, and utilize basic software applications safely and effectively. Our target audience will be individuals who are new to computers. Yes, you are in the right place. Or the seniors. Yes, even if you know how to use computers, you're welcome. Or anyone looking to refresh their basic computer literacy. This will be an interactive curriculum whereby you can track your progress. This will be in 6 modules. We have 6 modules that we shall be looking at. Let's have a quick look on our curriculum for this course. The first module or module 1 will be Introduction to Computers. What is a computer? The basic hardware components of a computer. Then how to start up and shut down computer safely. That will be in our module 1. In our module 2, we shall be looking at operating system basics. That is understanding the desktop. When we hear the word desktop, what does it mean? Using the mouse and keyboard. Yes, for the new people and then the seniors, sometimes when you're using your mouse, when you're using your keyboard, you feel your hands are tired. Here we shall be seeing the right way to use a keyboard and the right way to use mouse and many more. And then about Windows and applications, we shall have a quick look on what is a window. If you say Windows, what comes into your mind? If you say applications, what comes into your mind? In our module 3, we shall have a quick look on file management. If you want to understand what files and folders are, we shall how to create, rename, delete, how to move and copy files, how to search for files that are on your computer. We shall have a quick look on this one in our module 3. And module 4, it's about internet and email basics. We shall have a quick look to the internet, introduction to the internet. What is the internet? What does the internet do? We shall have so many details about the internet. Then basic web browse. Basic web browse. What is a web browser? If you hear the name web browser, what does it mean? We shall have a quick look on this one in our module 4. And then email fundamentals, how to create an email account, how to send, how to create a professional email. We shall have a quick look on this one in our module 4. In our module 5, which is the basic software applications, we shall have a look at the main applications that we use in our computers, most especially if you need to do word processing. What is the application for word processing? And that will be Microsoft Word. And then we shall also have on the spreadsheets. If I need spreadsheets, how do I create spreadsheets? So we shall have a quick look on the Microsoft Excel on this one. And presentations, we shall have a quick look on Microsoft PowerPoint, whereby you can see how to make good and professional presentations. And then we shall have also a look at photo viewing and basic editing. And in our final module, which will be module 6, we shall look at online safety, which is very, very important. It's very, very important to keep safe when you're on online or on internet. So we shall look at internet security basics and then password management, protecting personal information. What is the personal information? Here we shall have also a quick look on the classifications of information, and then digital etiquette. that is the behavior when you're dealing with digital information. Yes. And after our course, we shall have assessment. Take you back. After each and every module, we shall have an assessment, a few questions to refresh to see how far, how knowledgeable you are with that module. And then after the course, we shall have a final assessment. A final assessment, we shall have more questions that will be able to guide us and then refresh our brains on what we've just learned. What you need to do is to stay on this channel, to subscribe and hit the bell for the videos which will be coming up next. We shall be having more videos until we are done with the whole course. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.